A big misconception that people have about guardianship is that it's a family law issue. While it does involve children, it is not handled in the family law courts in the state of California. Guardianships are handled in the probate court and are handled much differently than family law cases. A guardianship is a case where an adult who is not the child's parent petitions the court for legal responsibility over a child. Oftentimes, guardianships are requested by family members such as aunts, uncles, grandparents. However, you are not required to be blood related to a child in order to get a guardianship over them. In a guardianship case, the parental rights are taken away from the parents and are essentially given to the guardian. A temporary guardianship is guardianship that is given by the court shortly after the petition is filed. This temporary guardianship order is issued by the judge until the court can consider all the factors and receive all evidence in making its decision to issue a permanent guardianship. After a temporary guardianship is issued by the judge, the courts then give time for the interested parties to present evidence and argument as to whether or not the guardianship should or should not be issued permanently, and sometimes even if the guardianship should be given to another person. In determining who should become the guardian over a child or if a guardianship should be granted, the courts look at the best interest of the child. Most of the time in a guardianship case, it requires immediate concerns over the child's safety, either physically or emotionally, because the bar to take away parental rights is pretty high. A common misconception is that the court can appoint somebody to be a guardianship without them applying. That is not the case. Any party who wants to become a guardian needs to apply with the court and ask the court to grant them guardianship. Once a guardianship has been established, the guardian has more or less the same parental rights as the parents did prior to the guardianship. That includes making decisions such as schooling decisions, religion, extracurricular, also the ability to take children to doctor's offices and to enroll children in school. If you find this video helpful and have any questions, please call Shank Family Law and we can answer any questions that you have.